All right, so we made it out here to Rapid City Harley Davidson. We're gonna check out some of the vendors out here, see what's going on. Might get an exhaust installed. This place is absolutely packed today, absolutely gorgeous. Got hundreds of motorcycles, hundreds of vendors. So let's see how I can blow a lot of money real fast. As always, Saddleman is absolutely killing it. That is the only seat to run on your Harley, in my opinion. I've ran La Perras, I've ran everything else, and Saddleman is definitely the way to go. Drag Specialties is always killing it with the custom bikes. Clockworks tent is absolutely killing it as usual.
Exactly. Yeah, oh, for sure.
We'll walk over and check out the Vance and Hines. All right, so we're over here at the Vance and Hines tent. Absolutely gorgeous over here. They always have a great display. All right, so we're making our way over to the S&S booth. Always amazing over here. They got the reproduction knuckleheads, pan heads, shovels.
Even when I'm gearing, I try to stay in that, how far you guys back down that range, because I have control. Right? Yeah. 465 kids would be good for your style. Do you ever exceed 4,000 RPMs?
S&S is now making full line of Indian motorcycles parts too, so that is awesome. Look at this FXR, man, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, I like them all.
Alright, so we are at the Lexan booth over here. They got the motorized cooler. This thing is super rad.
High five! Yeah, buddy!
Alright, so we are over here at the Dark Horse Crankworks booth. They make the Man of War compensator. Probably one of the best parts on the market right now. If you want to build any kind of performance out of your motorcycle, this is what you want on it. 100%. Guys are absolutely killing it out here, killing the game. All right, you guys, so we are over here at Sawicki Speed Shop over here at Rapid City Harley. As you guys can see, the bike is on the lift. It is getting a new exhaust installed thanks to these guys over here. They're absolutely amazing. Took care of my son, got us all feeling comfortable. Just want to give Sawicki Speed Shop a huge shout out for the great service and the great products out here, you guys. Check them out. All right, you guys, so as you can tell, we are at the hard drive booth. Just want to thank all these guys out here for their hospitality, getting an exhaust installed. We are sitting in the lounge area, provided us with a water, keeping my son happy out here. So if you are at Sturgis 2022, I hope you stop by the hard drive booth. It's absolutely amazing. The product line is endless. They got free installations on their parts out here. So if you're going to order something, you might as well come here and get it and have them install it for you. Sturgis 2022 from the hard drive booth. All right, you guys. Alright, so as many of you guys know, my buddy Fusco927 on Instagram, he picked up a sponsorship with Sawicki Speed Shop. It was like about 2 or 3 months ago, I'd say 2 months ago. He ended up linking up with them. They sent him a free exhaust. He's been running that exhaust at all the shows that he's been going to. It sounds absolutely amazing. The sound quality is by far the best on the market, surpasses anything I've heard out of Two Brothers Racing or Bassani. So I seen them down there. I decided to see what they had in stock. Actually, this pipe here, I was gonna get the full length so that I would get more torque and more back pressure on it, and the cone itself would stick out further back, so when my son's riding on the bike, it wouldn't be too deafening loud for him. But when they pulled out the product, the box that they had, it was mismarked. The guy pulled it out. He pulled me aside and said, you know, we don't have the full length exhaust system or the shorties, but this is a handmade, it's a mid-length. They don't offer them. They are not for sale on their site at all. So I kind of lucked out with that. So this is a one-off mid-length Sawicki Speed Shop exhaust. I'm super happy with the sound of it. It was actually so loud that when I was tuning the bike here, one of the neighbors in the campground came over and told me that I was being too loud. So definitely happy with that. And on the ride back, the performance was amazing. So as you guys know, I got that Dyno Jet, the Power Vision 4 tuner on this bike. So it was actually pretty easy to tune the bike. I read the ECU on the bike, flashed it to it, and then I had to rev the bike up so that I could see if there was any decel pop on it and kind of get it tuned to the bike. And then I reread the ECU and had to reflash the computer on the bike. So it's as simple as that. Yeah, it was loud, but it was loud for 3 minutes, and the performance will be there. So hopefully you guys like it. You will see it in the next couple of videos up here. And my son liked it. He liked the performance from it. So yeah, that Dyno Jet Power Vision 4 is worth its money. The Sawicki Speed Shop, this pipe is worth its weight in gold. And it just so happens that I got a one-off that you won't be able to find anywhere else. So if you guys do see me out, holler at me. I'll let you check it out and let you see how it sounds. But the performance, I noticed just coming up the hill to get back into the campground with the tune that I had on for the slip-ons, there's definitely a noticeable improvement in torque and horsepower. The bike was in 4th gear, and I mean, it was smacking like it was in 5th. So we'll get you some more footage the next time you see this exhaust. I'll have the GoPro on, so maybe we'll redline it up here on the highway, or run it through the canyons, hit some switchbacks with it. So stay tuned, you guys. I am super excited about this setup. The next thing is going to be the cam install on this bike, so just stay posted.